Let's be honest. If you're a talented software engineer in Japan, you've probably felt it. You see your friends in San Francisco or London making double what you do, while you are stuck in Tokyo, capped at 10 or 12 million yen. It's quite well in Tokyo, but there is a group of engineers here who are breaking that ceiling. They aren't just coding. They are transforming industries. There is a new engineer role called Forward Deployed Engineers. We call it FDE. And today, I'm gonna show you why this is the fastest ticket to a 30 million yen compensation package in Japan. But before we dive in, who am I to talk about this? My name is Kei. I've been a software engineer for over 10 years, primarily in mobile development. And beyond coding, I'm the founder and CEO of Kboy Inc., a licensed recruitment agency in Japan. I talk to tech leaders and candidates every week, and I see exactly who is getting hired and who is getting paid the big bucks. I've seen the market shift firsthand, and that's why I need to tell you about the FDE role. The term forward deployed comes from military strategy, sending specialized units to the front lines. In tech, this was popularized by Palantir. Most engineers work in a clean environment like a Jira ticket and a codebase. But on FDE, you work in the dirt. You are embedded within the client's office, be it a massive bank or manufacturing giant. You are 70% hardcore engineer and 30% strategic consultant. You find the most painful business problem and write the code to solve it right there on the front lines. Why is Japan paying so much for this? Because of 2025 digital cliff, large Japanese enterprises have decades of data locked in ancient legacy systems. For years, they outsourced everything, and now they have no internal tech DNA. They are desperate for digital transformation. We call it DX. But they don't need more slide decks from consultants. They need someone who can sit in their boardroom, understand the business logic, and then actually build a data pipeline. This execution gap is why you can change a premium. To a Japanese CEO, an FDE is the person saving their company from obsolescence. What does a typical day look like? Imagine you're a client site in Otemachi in Tokyo. You aren't sitting with other devs. You are with the business team. In the morning, you are explaining to a VIP in simple terms why their current data architecture is failing. By the afternoon, you are deep diving into a SQL database that hasn't been touched in 15 years. And by evening, you're writing production-grade Python or Go code to build a solution. You are the owner. There is no PM to protect you. It's high stakes, high impact, and that's why the rewards are so high. Let's talk numbers. In Tokyo, at firms like Palantir or high-growth ventures like Layer X, a senior FDE can easily clear 30 million yen in total compensation. Even traditional giants like Fast Retailing or Toyota are now competing for this talent. In a country where the average dev salary is 6 to 8 million yen, being an FDE puts you in the top 1% earners. You need three things to succeed. 1. Technical mastery. You need to be a senior level engineer. 2. Business fluency. You have to speak the language of ROI and value. Number 3. High context empathy. You need to navigate Japanese nemawashi or consensus building. If you can combine these, you are the particularly invisible in the job market. Now you are watching this and thinking, I have the skills, but I don't know where to start. I have something for you. I've officially launched the Japan Tech Playbook this March. It was a comprehensive guide I built using my 10 years of engineering experience and my insight as a recruiter to help you navigate the high-end tech market in Japan. And as a head start, I've created a tier 2 company list. Everyone knows Google and Mercari, but there's a whole layer of tier 2 companies. Hidden gems that pay incredibly well, have great work-life balance, but far less competitive. You can download the list for free right now at the link in the description. Don't settle the average Tokyo salary. The market is changing, and you should too. Download the list, and let's get you that 30 million yen career. I'll see you in the next video. ありがとうございました。